Shannon, I am going to show you how to upload files to Libsyn. It's very similar to YouTube, and also how to change in the Wix website that podcast in. So here you go to contents and you put add a new episode. So right now I'm going to see, and the format that I have chosen is always put episode 0 and the number, then a space and then a slash. So I am going to here to show the folder, and I'm going to put episode, I think it's 21, then a space and a slash and then a space. 10 super tips for believing your success and up leveling. So I want to check the spelling of that, up leveling, to see if that is correct. Up leveling. Okay, I think it's all right. And I'm going to erase this last part, that it's not necessary. And if this is incorrect, it doesn't matter, I can fix that later. So, okay, I close this and then I go to here, add new content. I'm going to add a new episode. And here I can put media, add media file. So I'm going to upload from the hard drive. I'm going to go to the downloads folder where I downloaded your file. And the file is here. So I am uploading that file. And then I go to the second part, media. You have this, which is basically you leave it like this. There is no problem here. In details, I am going to copy this. So I just put here copy. I'm going to copy that title, and I'm going to fix this space that was here. The subtitle, I copy the same thing. And here in the description, I copy paste the description that you send me through the email. So it says here 10 super tips. So I'm going to put here 10 super tips to up level your success. I'm going to put here in space, I'm going to put here bold. Do you want to take your success to the next level but don't know what to do or where to start? I'm going to create another space here. In this episode, I share 10 super tips that are guaranteed to get you to the next level of success. Let's go. And that is the description. Then all of these other things you can see if they can work for you. And all of these things will be after this is published. All of these will be given, so you can copy paste. So then you go to the Wix website, you double click here, and here you can choose the podcast, which is here. You choose here podcast, and then it will get you to the podcast page. You go down, and here you are going to choose to put more space here. Then you go to this title, episode 20, you put copy, and then you put paste, and you take this box and you try to put it there, aligned to the middle of the other text, and here you put double click and you change episode 21 and you copy paste the name of the file. So you go here and you copy this and you paste it here. Here is another space, so you erase this. 10 tips for up leveling your success. Okay, so then I see that you need a little bit of more space. You use these arrows to put more space, and then you copy this part. I don't use the right click of the mouse. I put Ctrl C, it's copy paste, and then copy paste. Copy, then copy paste. I go down, I align it with the one that is up, and I put double click here, and I choose all of this text, and I take all of this text, I copy, and I go to the Wix website, copy paste, and that's it. I put save, and I am going to read this to see if it has any errors. I put don't show this, and I put publish now. I put here done. I put save again, just in case. I put don't show this here, and you put publish, and done. I put here publish and preview to see if it looks good. So it looks good to me. Here are all the podcasts. And here you have to copy the link that will be given here. Right now it's on 41% of the upload progress. You go back to editor. And here to change that, you put here double click. You select all these small sentence, and you go here to the link. And you put erase the link. To get a new link, it's not erased. When it's erased, it looks different. So you put here erase. No, it was erased. So here you put erase, then you go to page, and you go to web address, and you copy paste this link that will be given. Until that link is given, I am going to see in what status it's the video masterclass, Shannon Tran masterclass money webinar. It is being uploaded. Here is the InstaSuite. So here is that page that I did. Let's see where it is here, 52%. Okay, so I'm going to save here. You close the InstaSuite, and you can create variations. The nice thing about variations is that when you have variations, you can have more. You can have 2 variations, 3, 4, 5 variations of the same page. So here you can have here clicks, number of people that clicked here or landed in the sales page. Conversions, you can set up this conversion here. So you can put here goal type, sales, type of product, achieve with this. So we already have the achieve with this product. The goal page, it's here we can put here the thank you page, for example. So the thank you page, to put it up, you take, when you see these 4 arrows, you take them up, and we are going to put thank you. We are going to choose a template. Let's see if there is a nice template for thank you page. That is already done. You put here go. Let's see where here, 64. Okay, so here, I'm going to close this. Okay, so here it's the thank you page. Thank you page. This is a thank you page. Or you can choose a thank you page. We're going to choose this because it's cool, because it has a video. You can upload the video where it says, hey, thank you so much for signing up for this program. We can put here a logo or erase it. We can put here a paragraph or whatever thing that you want to do. The background image can also be changed. Here we can put a thank you, and this has like a webinar information. So if you want to erase this, you can erase all of these parts. Erase it, and we're going to erase all the white block that it's here. Here we can put Shannon Tran and all the other things. You can change the here it's to make it this part bigger, and here you can there are boxes here, so it's not possible to make this less wider. It's wide, so I'm going to erase this box that it's here. How do you find boxes? You have to put the cursor on the top of all the elements, and here's another box. So I erase this box, Let's see if there is another box here. Looks like there are no more boxes, so I'm going to put this up. Okay. So here I'm going to put save. It is being saved. It's in 84%. Okay. So we're going to put publish. Save. Publish. Okay. And we're going to get out. So right now, this is how the flowchart looks. From the sales page, leads you to a thank you page. Then from the thank you page, it leads you to the email confirmation of the purchase. Then from the email, you can put them to the upsell, like for example, the VIP with the coaching. And if they say no, you can offer like 3 sessions for $200. And then if they say no, hey, try 1 session for $100. So that is the example of a upsell and a downsell. Here to configure this, so you go here to this target, you put the product achieved with this, the sales goal, it's the goal page, it's, I don't know here, but here it is there is an error here. Sales page. Now the goal page, if you don't see any goal page from the drop down, here's the page with the typos within this funnel. So it should appear thank you page. I don't know why it's not, but it doesn't matter right now. Right now I just want to show you how this works. So you put here, okay, so we're right now going to put the sales page and we're going to put save. Also the thing that about these variations is that you can create variations. So you put edit, and this for example, the first page. If you want to create a new variation, you can create a new variation. We're going to duplicate this page, and in this variation B page, we can have other things that are different from variation A. So for example, you can change the text here, put an image here, put a video, and see which one converts more. Okay, save, close, and here, when there are the split test variations, you have to here change to 50%. So 50% of the traffic you want to go here, you want to drop here, and 50% you want to go here. And that's about it. Let's see if it's already up. So here's the permalink. So you copy the direct download URL. Let's see what happens if I copy this. I don't think this one, it's the link, because it's going to put me not. It's here, it's inside Libsyn. So here, this is the link that you are going to copy in the Wix website. We're going to paste this link. You put done, you close this, you save, you put publish now, and you put preview. So you put here done, and here you put click here, and it says here episode 21 of up leveling your success. So that's it. Then you can download.